The future of AI is a fascinating and rapidly evolving topic that has the potential to transform our lives in countless ways. Here are some potential talking points you could include in your video. AI in healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnostics, developing new treatments, and streamlining administrative processes. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles are already on the road, and they could dramatically reduce accidents and traffic congestion in the future. Personalized education. AI-powered tools can be used to tailor learning experiences to individual students, improving educational outcomes for all. Smart homes. With the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, homes will become increasingly connected and responsive to our needs, thanks to AI-powered devices that can anticipate our preferences and habits. Cybersecurity. AI can help detect and prevent cyber attacks, as well as provide more secure methods of authentication and data encryption. Job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, it has the potential to automate many jobs that are currently performed by humans, leading to significant changes in the job market. Ethical considerations. As with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations that must be taken into account when developing and deploying AI systems, such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for misuse. Overall, AI is a rapidly advancing field that will undoubtedly have a significant impact on our lives in the years to come. It's an exciting time to be interested in technology. Thank you for watching.